This plan that you've put forward, as you say, you provide loans, you want to expedite bureaucracy, provide public lands, but you're not actually building housing. And a lot of what we hear on this program is the federal government got out of building social housing, purpose-built rental housing in the 90s, and that is abdicating your responsibility to provide affordable housing to Canadians. Why not take the steps to actually be more actively involved and actually build housing?
So it's been many decades since the federal government was actively engaged in construction. And in fact, I believe that the private sector will be better and more effective and efficient at home building. But we've seen during that period, when people talk about the federal government getting out of home building, we got out of the business of even financing social housing for 30 years. And we came back in 2017. Right now, when we've got a very real challenge with labor, skilled trades in certain markets across Canada, having the government start a new construction entity and pulling from that same limited pool of labor wouldn't necessarily result in an increased housing output, but more money on the table can make a difference.
But with developers, will they not be more interested in building more of those high-rise condos we've seen?
Under what circumstance? I just want to make sure I understand your question.
Leaving it to the private developers to build more.
So we design our programs in a way that incentivizes the kind of outcomes that we want. So if you look at our low-cost financing program, it's only eligible to builders who make a commitment that they're going to offer a certain number of units at a price that middle-class families in a given market can afford. So if we take the apartment construction loan program, 20% of the units have to be made available at or below a price that's based on the median market income. So 30% of what the median income in a market is. Our affordable housing, low-income housing where we actually subsidize the construction, not through a loan but a grant, requires a much deeper level of affordability. So low-income families, based on their income, can have a place to live. So we don't just put money on the table to help builders build anything. We put money on the table to incentivize kinds of homes that people can actually afford.